And the Kohl's Chevy Mountain Fest is in full swing, and one of the attractions that's drawing crowds every day this year is a sea lion show. That's where our Melinda Zosh is, and she joins us live with more on that and the Mountain Festival. Hey there, Melinda.
Martin, it's the first time that Sea Lion Splash has come here to the Kohl's Chevy Mountain Fest, and the three sea lions here, Lily, Maya, and Zoe, are making quite the splash and also the impression.
Come on, Zoe. Come on.
This is Zoe.
Close enough. There you go.
She's 17 years young, and she travels for a living.
10 months out of the year, sometimes 8, sometimes a little more than 10, just depends. Every year is different.
Zoe was rescued from the California coast.
Yes.
And now she's making waves in these pools and on this stage in cities and towns all across the U.S.
I go from here to California. After California, I'll go to Colorado. There's really no rhyme or reason to where we go. It's different every year. We just go.
But this is her first time visiting Bluefield, and she's welcoming everyone with a sea lion hello.
We're not actually Hawaiian. People ask that all the time. Are you guys from Hawaii, or are the sea lions from Hawaii? No, we just thought it was a good idea.
Jimmy Earhart is Zoe's trainer. He's with Sea Lion Splash, a family-owned business based in Texas.
Roll over. Roll over.
Earhart spends countless hours training Zoe and her sea lion siblings. And Zoe, the sea lion here, has learned more than 70 behaviors. One of them is to sing it. And as for what motivates this 200-pound animal when she's on stage, it's two things.
Oh, the only thing that motivates them is noise, other than food, so it helps them a lot. So give her a kiss. Perfect.
Aww. All right. And I want to let our viewers know that there's still time to come out here to the Kohl's Chevy Mountain Fest here at Bluefield City Park and catch the next Sea Lion show. It's set to start right here at 6:30, and there's another opportunity for you to come out here at 8:30. That's happening each night, and then there's also an afternoon show Saturday at 4:15. Well, stay with us. We'll be right back with APB right after this break.